Hi guys, my name is Elizabeth, leasing professional here at AMLI South Shore, and I'd like to show you around our E2 apartment home that we recently renovated. Come on in. What I like best about this floor plan, so it's 631 square feet. It is our studio, and with the renovations, it comes with a beautiful quartz countertop that runs all the way down. We have added the farmhouse sink. We have our soft closing cabinets and all new Energy Star appliances. You have your full-size washer and dryer included. Best part about the floor plan is it has an L-shaped, so you do have the ability or the sense of separation between the living room and bedroom area. You will also have space for either a dining or a desk area. And then coming into our bathroom, you have your garden tub style and an upgraded vanity with built-in shelving as well for your closet space. Now, if you are interested, please remember to reach us at AMLI.com. You can reach us by phone at 512-447-1620, and we are here to assist you.